I didn't used to be very brave. In fact, I wasn't brave at all. But you have made me brave, little monsters. So now I want to be brave for you. Tonight I want you to forget all of your insecurities. I want you to reject anyone or anything that's ever made you feel like you don't belong, or you don't fit in, or like you're not good enough, or pretty enough, or thin enough, or can't sing well enough, or dance well enough, or write a song well enough, or you'll never fill an arena, or have a #1 record, or you'll never win a Grammy. You just